Hi friends, I'm Ankit and today I will show you how to add another account in Instagram. Friends, if you have multiple Instagram account which you want to add in your Instagram app, now here in your Instagram app you need to long press on the profile icon. Now here you will find all your logged in Instagram account and also you will find the option to add a new Instagram account. So press on add Instagram account. Now here you can log in to your existing account or also you can create a new account. Here it will show the list of all old logged in Instagram account. You can select any of these or you can select another profile. Now here you need to add the login details and press on login. Now your Instagram account is logged in, and in case of multiple Instagram accounts, from the profile icon you can very easily switch between the Instagram accounts. So like this you can switch between the accounts. So friends, like this you can very easily use multiple Instagram accounts in one Instagram app. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.